Hi everyone, want to create a catchy video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro? Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads on Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand new ad is ready to go. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. Firstly, all you have to do is just signing up by clicking over apply now and you add your personal information such as email address and your password, then you get started. Alright, so let's get started as soon as possible. So firstly, let's know what is the definition of Canva. So Canva is an easy to use online design tool that helps you create styling video ads, social media posts, and more. Even if you have no design experience, with tons of templates, animations, and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life. Perfect for making ads and that stands out, right? So all I have to do is just sign up by clicking over signing up in the top right, and also you can here click over login to find your account if you already have an account. I don't have these buttons because I already have a profile here, and this is my account. As you can see, I will just click over home and I will find either page, which is this one, as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just click over search here in the top, and you have to search for the thing that you want for video ads. If it's reels to sell something, or if it's a pass, for example, I will search for reel because we have here video ads. So I will search for reel, then you will find here first templates. As you can see, I will just scroll down and I will click over SEO here, and you'll find here first templates and several things. All right, so you can just scroll down. We have here 30,141 templates, and we have it here. How it looks, right? Or you can just click over here in the top right, and you click over create a design and you select here videos, of course, and you click over here and just start with that. Or you can just here select the niche that you want, if it's mobile video, or if it's Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video, video collage, do you have your LinkedIn video ad, Pinterest video pin, video message, or slideshow video. Or you can just custom size and you select here the width and the height. Also you select the units and you get started, and you custom the size, and then you click over create new design and you get started. Or you can just click over all filters and you select firstly the category that you want, if it's related to the business or it's related to the social media. Also we have here education, video, then you have marketing, print products, you have cards, invitations, then we have here the style, the theme, the language, feature, grade, subject, then you have topic, price as well. I will click over here to select the free one, and about the color I will select the white one because I like it. You can just select the one you want if you would like also the pro one, but I think the free one is better. Or you can just upload it from your computer and you get started with the template. That's what I will do. Just stick around until the end to show you how you can design your template. I will click over apply, then you will find here various templates. As you can see, we have 2,752, and here we have these templates that I select related to the filter that I selected. All right, so we can just click over the first one, for example, and you click over customize this template and you'll find how it looks right now. Or you can just come back here to the home and you have to click over create new design, and I will click here over videos, as you can see, and I will select, for example, the first one. Then you'll find it like that. We don't have any templates here because I will upload it from my computer by clicking over uploads. Then I will just click over upload files and you get started to download it or upload it from your computer. I will just right now click over design. I will search for the specific thing that I want. For example, I like basketball, so I will just here design my template with selling shoes basketball. I will click over the first one. I think this one is very better, and I will just here click over it, and I will just here modify. For example, here I don't have a channel, so I will just here delete this one, and I will add other things. For example, here I will just keep this one. I think it's better, and I will put it here in the middle like that, and then I will just right now add some things here. I will just go to the text firstly. I will add a heading like that. I will put it in the top, and I will just here custom the size. I will put it 150. And here we have it right now. I will just here write, for example, basketball shoes, and I will just click over online here. Then I will just here put it in the top. About this one, I will just put it like that. Well, I will select it as a background. It's better, I think. Is it good to select it as a background? So let's just give it a try. I think like that it's better, and I will add a heading like that, and I will put it here and the top, and I will delete here, and I will add here, for example, best basketball. Then I will add another heading here. I put it like that in the left. Then I will add another heading, and also I will put it here and the right. And I will add shoes, for example, basketball shoes. I will add online as well. And here we have it right now. I think it's good like that. I will delete here this one and make it here maximum. And here we have it right now. Also with this one, I will select here shoes, and also here I will click over enter. This one is good, right? I'll put this one here and the top. Alright, so we have how it looks right now. You can just add elements if you want, or you can just upload from your computer and just select, for example, the shoes basketball, and you add a page. Then you put this one like that, and you custom the size as well, and you put it like that. And I will just modify the size. Alright, and there we have it, how it looks. I will just right now click over share. Firstly, this is how it looks, and right now let's just click it over share in the top right, and this is it how it looks. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.